guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, today we're in Carrollton, Texas, in the Kensington Place neighborhood by HOVNANIAN. Our clients are actually closing on this house next week, so excited to show it to you. But we are actually 35 minutes from downtown Dallas. We're 25 minutes from DFW Airport and only 20 minutes from Frisco, Texas. But Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is a 5-bed, 4.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,440 square feet. It's listed for $848,000, which is $246 price per square foot. It's on a 50 by 130 foot lot, and it's, yeah, like he mentioned, it's our lovely clients Daniel and Jasmine who are going to be buying this beautiful property. It's closing next Friday, so
yeah, that's awesome. So just like they made a smart choice by confiding in us to represent them in their purchase, it's so important to make sure you partner with the right people to help you with the whole process. When you choose to partner with us, you're choosing 10 years of market expertise, you're choosing the #1 luxury brokerage in Dallas-Fort Worth, and a proven winning team. You get 2 of us. But anyways, guys, let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're in the market to sell your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call with us by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.